Hello and welcome to the tutorial on Find the Missing Number. In this tutorial we're going to do numbers up to 9 and we're going to do subtraction. Now this is the second tutorial we're doing. We've done the first one using the dot method, the number line, and also the counting method. Here we're going to do it slightly differently. Now suppose we have this question where we're trying to find out the number to the left. So we have something minus 2 equals 6. Something minus 2 equals 6. Now how are we going to do this? Now we used an example before with numbers up to 5 with the bag of sweets. We're going to use the same one here. So let's suppose we've got a bag and it's got sweets in there. Now how many sweets, when we're looking at this question where we're trying to find out the first number, that effectively means the total. So let's have a look at this. How many sweets are in the bag? There are 6 in the bag. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sweets have we taken out of the bag? We've taken out 2. 1, 2. Don't forget it's a minus. So what this box is, the first one, it means is how many sweets were there in total? So how many sweets were there in total? Well, let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 sweets in total. Let's write that down. So there are 8 sweets in total. And now this question reads, or this statement now, since we've answered it, is 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now that sounds right. However, let's use the dot method to see if it is correct. So above number 8 we're going to put 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to be doing minus, so what we're going to do is we're going to cross out 2 dots. Let's cross out the last 2 to make it easy. We've got 1, 2. So we've crossed out 2 dots. How many dots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that 6, let's just go around here, is the same as over here. So that is correct. 8 minus 2 is 6. We've used the bag of sweets to answer the question, and we've used the dot method to check whether it is right. So now let's use the same method, but we're going to try to find out the second number. So let's have a look at this. What is 7 minus something equals 4? 7 minus something equals 4. So again, in this scenario, we're going to look at the bag of sweets. So we've got the bag of sweets. Now when we're trying to find out the second number, what we're doing is, this tells us how many sweets there are in total. It is 7 sweets in total. So let's draw the sweets in. We're just going to put dots in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll put the other one here, 7. So we've got 7 sweets in total. And what it's saying is we're going to have to cross out some of them until we have 4 left. So we're going to cross out some of the sweets until we are left with 4. So let's see how many sweets are 4. Well, the 4 sweets are over here. We can use this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 sweets. So that is 4 sweets. How many sweets do we need to cross out? We need to cross out this one, and this one. So we need to cross out 1, 2, 3. So we've crossed out 3 sweets. Let's just write that properly. 3 sweets. And that is the answer. It now reads 7 minus 3 equals 4. Again, we can use the dot method to check whether we've got this right. Now above number 7, draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll draw the other one over here, 7. We're doing minus, so we're going to cross out 3 of the dots. Let's cross out the last 3. So we're crossing out 1, 2, 3. We have crossed out 3 dots. How many dots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And that 4 is the same as the 4 over here. So we found the second number, and what we have done is we've used the bag of sweets as a method, and we've used the dot method to check whether the answer is correct. And that is how we find the missing number up to 9, subtraction, using this particular method.